In the sanctuary, animals live in peace until they die naturally from old age.The owners of the sanctuary, Wenda, Shehata and Sparey, welcome these animals to enjoy the freedom and safety of their 56-acre farm sanctuary. In the UK, Hugletts is the only farm animal sanctuary that operates a dedicated cow protection program. They maintain a separate herd which comprises special needs and very elderly cows and bullocks. They include Archie, who is inbred and was born without a tail, partially sighted and deaf in one ear, as well as one of 4 founding cows, Leena.